In this video, we will walk through the measure filter, hierarchy filter, and tree map filter in Super Filter. First, we explore the measure filter, which allows you to dynamically filter data using DAX measures. This is typically applied to categorical fields to refine insights based on calculated values. Let's get started. We begin by adding the super filter to the report and adjusting its size and position. Next, we populate the category field with the country column and add a DAX measure to the others field in the visualizations pane. A slider automatically appears in the visual, allowing you to adjust the range dynamically. As you drag the slider, the filter updates in real time, automatically selecting items within the chosen range and filter the report. To enable or disable the slider, navigate to the Measure Filter section under the Format pane settings. Simply turn off the Measure Filter to disable the slider, and turn it back on to enable it within the filter. Now, we explore the Hierarchy Filter view, which allows users to display and interact with data in a hierarchical structure within the visual. To enable the Hierarchy Filter, simply disable the Facet Filter toggle. Disabling this toggle activates the Hierarchy Filter. Once enabled, additional customization options become available in the Format pane. To create a hierarchical structure, add another column to the category field in the Visualizations pane. The filter will then automatically generate a hierarchy, making it easier to navigate and filter data, especially when working with multi-level categories. Lastly, we explore the tree map filter, which allows users to visually filter data using a tree map layout. To enable the tree map in the Super Filter, navigate to the Hierarchy section under the Format Visual Settings and select Tree Map in the selection type. The filter will then display a tree map layout. Here, we have different tiling methods which customize the arrangement of rectangles within the tree map, allowing for greater flexibility in data visualization. Next, we have the lasso type, which lets you control how selections are managed within the tree map. There are two options: inclusive, which retains previous selections when new items are selected, and exclusive, which clears earlier selections before applying new ones. This enables users to interact with the tree map seamlessly, making data selections more intuitive and creating a visually rich filtering experience. And that's it. With these filtering techniques, you can enhance your data exploration, making it more dynamic and interactive for better insights. Download Inforiver Super Filter from Microsoft App Source to experience this magic. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.